Another mail call Monday, opening up some more stuff from Amazon. I ended up getting Amazon the Prime now because it was cheaper to set up the Prime for this stuff I've got and get free shipping. I guess the shipping would have cost more than Prime, so by getting Prime, it was paid for. Is that the way to see it? And we got some more from Smooth On. This is the purple silicone rubber. So this is for creating the soft rubber parts of the mold. It'll look something like this, kind of a foam rubber, and we'll use that to create the molds and then run the plastic parts out of this. So we'll use this stuff. This is 16 fast and it's a platinum, so the idea here was, I believe, so that it would mold quickly and give us some good detail. So we'll report back, put some reviews up on Amazon, and we'll have links to stuff in the bottom if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching.